Okay, everyone. Warning to all fire alarm enthusiasts. Only mess with your own fire alarms at home, not in other people's houses, and especially not in public buildings unless there is a real fire or if you have permission, but if you don't, you leave them alone. You only do it with your own fire alarms at home, or else you will get into serious trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested by the police because you are endangering the public if you are messing with fire alarms in a public building. So, you do not ever do that for any reason. Bye.